Namaskar. Uh, Today I'll be rendering rag malcolms. Actually speaking, there are so many rags. I mean, I know the traditional learning is one rag which is stretched almost for a year till it's like you're swimming into it, or you have dived into the raga system. But in the normal, day-to-day world as such, many people have the skill, many people have the talent, and many people wish to learn. And age is not a parameter. So at that time, of course, the objectives of learning would definitely be different. It is enthusing us to understand, to know what the raga system is, or how this music system emanated. So that is more important. So you must be wondering, one rag after the other I'm uploading. It's only to share that my joy, or the effect of a catharsis, as well as how I'm able to balance my life, you know. This itself, you can say, is like a therapy. Okay, people go to formal institutions maybe for therapy, or for all of us go through ups and downs in life. So at 60 plus, to have put my foot forward into something of a hobby, and then that hobby becomes a passion, and then it leads to greater learning, and then I'm able to understand, it makes me feel very happy. And I feel, like me, there may be many others who at least will somewhere, if that inspiration is there, to drive them to do something worthwhile, instead of all the time. I mean, there is a lot of sorrow around you, as you can see in the present day situation. But mulling over it is not going to solve our problems, and neither are we equipped to resolve situations, or to come about with problem solving ideas, because you see, it's the ruling parties, and the leaders who are governing us. So eventually, why do you have to feel like a morose person? Bring joy to yourself. It can be art, it can be music, it can be sports, wherever you're talented in. So since from childhood I had been learning, and then I discontinued and went into teaching, and then I come back to this. So it's just gives me happiness to share. That's all. Okay. Thank you so much. So coming to Rag Malcounts, it's a out of Jati Raga. That means 5 swaras. Rishabh and Pancham are not taken in this. And Komal Ga, Komal Dha, Komal Ni become the Vikrat swaras. So therefore it is belonging to Bhairavi That. And Ma and Sa are the Vadi and Samvadi. Okay. And the third prahar of the night. Okay. Raat ka tisra, tritiya prahar. That's the time when it is sung. So you will see the time aspect of it is with these komal swaras. The madhyam is also, it's not going to be a shrill noted madhyam. It will be a bass note, which can go a little higher in pitch as per the script. But it will be softer, it will be more mellow, melodious. It's not going to be, loud as such, with shrieking, shrill notes. No. So we have to sing it carefully with the, tonal quality, and the approach needs to be much gentler, much softer. And it is a Gambhir Prakriti Raga. And also this rag is generally popularized in the Grishma Ritu, that is the winter season. So we are right in time for that. Okay, thank you. So first I'll have the Vilambit Teen Tal Bandish. After that would be the Madhyalay Chautal Bandish. Uh, 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 ni sa ma ga ma ga ma dha ga ma ga sa va ra de ma ta vidya ki rani Parabrahma ki rani Varade Mata Varade Mata vidya ki rani Parabrahma ki rani Varade sa ni sa dha ni sa dha ni sa ma ma ga sa va ra de da ni sa ma ma ga ma dha ma ga ma ga sa va ra de ma ta vidya ki rani Parabrahma ki rani Varade ಧನಿ ಧನಿ ಸ भगवती सरस्वती दीजे विद्या बुद्धि ज्ञान हे वाणी भगवती सरस्वती दीजे विद्या बुद्धि ज्ञान दीजे विद्या बुद्धि ज्ञान वर दे ದೀನನಾಥ ದುಃಖ ಭಂಜನ ದೀನನಾಥ ದುಃಖ ಭಂಜನ ದೀನನಾಥ ದುಃಖ ಭಂಜನ ಭಕ್ತವತ್ಸಲ ಜಗವಂದನ ಭಕ್ತವತ್ಸಲ ಜಗವಂದನ ಜಗಜೀವನ ಜಗದನಾಥ ಜಗಜೀವನ ಜಗದನಾಥ ಬ್ರಿಜಪತ ಗೋಕುಲ ಚಂದ ಬ್ರಿಜಪದ ಗೋಕುಲ ಚಂದ ದೀನನಾಥ 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 ದುಃಖಭಂಜನ ದೀನನಾಥ ದುಃಖಭಂಜನ ಭಕ್ತವತ್ಸಲ ಜಗವಂದನ ಭಕ್ತವತ್ಸಲ ಜಗವಂದನ ಜಗಜೀವನ ಜಗದನಾಥ ಜಗಜೀವನ ಜಗದನಾಥ ಬ್ರಿಜಪದ ಗೋಕುಲ ಚನ್ನ ಬ್ರಿಜಪದ ಗೋಕುಲ ಚಂದ ದೀನನಾಥ ದೀನನಾಥ ಮಧುಸೂದನ ಮದನ ಮೋಹನ ಮಧುಸೂದನ ದೀನನಾದ ಮಧುಸೂದನ ದೀನನಾದ ಮಧುಸೂದನ ಸ ಸ ನಿ ಸ ಸ ದ ಮ ಗ ಗ ಸ ಸ ದೀನನಾಥ ಮಧುಸೂದನ ಸ ಸ ಗ ಗ ಮ ಮ ಧ ಧ ನೀ ನೀ ಸ ದೀನನಾಥ ಮಧುಸೂದನ ದೀನನಾಥ ಮಧುಸೂದನ ಸ ನಿ ಧ ಮ ಗ ಗ ನಿ ಧ ಮ ಮ ಗ ಸ ದೀನನಾಥ ಮಧುಸೂದನ ನೀ ನಿ ಸ ಸ ಮ ಗ ಮ ಗ ಸ ಸ ನೀ ನಿ ಸ ಸ ಮ ಮ ಗ ಮ ಮ ದ ನಿ ಸ ಸ ದೀನನಾಥ ದುಃಖಭಂಜನ ಗ ಮ ಮ ಗ ಮ ಮ ಧ ಧ ನಿ ಧ ಮ ಮ ಗ ಮ ಗ ಮ ಮ ಮ ಧ ನಿ ಸ ಗ ಮ ಮ ಗ ಗ ಮ ಮ ಧ ಧ ನಿ ಧ ಮ ಮ ಗ ಮ ಗ ಮ ಮ ಮ ಧ ನಿ ಸ ಸ ದೀನನಾಥ ದುಃಖಭಂಜನ ದೀನನಾಥ ದುಃಖಭಂಜನ ಮಧುಸೂದನ ಮದನ ಮೋಹನ ಮಧುಸೂದನ ಮದನ ಮೋಹನ ದೀನನಾಥ 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 ದೊಂ ದನ ನನ 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 ದೊಂ ದನ ನನ 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 ತದನಿ ದದನಿ ದದನಿ ದೊಂ ದನ ನನ 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 ನಾದಿ ಧೀ 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 ದೊಂ ದನ ನನ ನನ ಯಲಲಿ 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 ಯಲಲುಂ ಲುಂ ಯಲಲುಂ ಲುಂ ತದನಿ 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 ದೊಂ ದನ ನನ ದೊಂ ದನ ನನ ಧಿಂ 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 ಧಿರಿ ಗಿಡ ಧಿರಿ ಗಿಡ ಧಿರಿ ಗಿಡ ಧಿಂ 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 ಧಿರಿ ಗಿಡ ಧಿರಿ ಗಿಡ ಧುಂ 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 ಧನ ಧನ ನನ ಧನ ನನ ಧುಂ 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 ಧನ ನನ ಧನ ನನ ಧನ ನನ ಧುಂ ಧನ ನನ ಧನ ಧೆ ರೆ ಧನ ಧೆ ರೆ ಧನ ಧೆ ರೆ ಧನಿ ಧ dani dana dere na dana dere na dana dere na dim 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 gita na de dira gita na de dim 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 dum dana dum dana dum dana dum 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 dana na 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 na